We are continuing from where we stopped in part 3, right? We have been on a series of videos for you, that is all the science candidates writing JAMB. Listen to me. There are questions that are not calculation based, and that is what we are focusing on. I'm doing videos for you on chemistry, on physics, on biology, on use of English, on mathematics. I'm also doing for art students on economics, on commerce, government, and all literature and all the rest. So come close. In the last video, part 3, which I need you to watch part 1, part 2, part 3. Watch all that parts we have done on physics. We stopped at question 21. So let's continue. A glass rod is charged when rubbed with silk cloth because A, it transfers negative charge. B, it transfers positive charge. C, it accepts negative charges. D, it accepts positive charge. The answer is A. When you rub a silk on glass rod, it does what? It transfers negative charge. Okay, let's look at question 22. I hope you are following. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you free gifts, and those free gifts are free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus. So I want you to give me your attention, pay serious attention, and do not play around, please. Addition of trivalent impurity to a semiconductor. Addition of trivalent impurity to a semiconductor. A, increases the number of holes. B, decreases the number of holes. C, increases the number of free electron. D, decreases the number of free electron. The answer is A. When you add trivalent impurity to semiconductor, it will increase the number of holes. You see why it is so easy to fail JAMB, because they will give you options that are so similar. Let's look at this question 24. Let's look at this question 24. The defect of the eye lens. The defect of the eye lens, which occurs when the ciliary muscles are weak, is called dash. The defect of the eye lens, which occurs when the ciliary muscles are weak, is called dash. A, long-sightedness. B, short-sightedness. C, presbyopia. D, astigmatism. When the ciliary muscle is weak, it causes presbyopia. Presbyopia for when the ciliary muscle is weak. Now, the first assignment I'm giving you in this video 4 is tell me the kind of lens that can be used to correct long-sightedness. Also tell me the kind of video that can be used to correct short-sightedness. That one is a must. Tell me. You can also tell me another name for long-sightedness and another name for short-sightedness. Whenever I give you an assignment, don't jump it. Remember, the tutorials and the videos you watch in this channel, they are not Nollywood movies. They are not entertainment. This is not Tom and Jerry. This is not just for you to watch, right? It is for you to pass. It is for you to get admission this year. It is for you to get 300 and above. I want you to claim it. I want you to claim you will not be among those that will score 180, 150, 320. You will not be among those that will not get admission this year. You will not be among those that will say jam them, or that they were scammed. No. Every member of Noble Tutorials will gain admission this year. You will score 300 and above. That is why I keep dropping these videos for you. And the admission will not fall from the moon. I've warned you against scammers. So be serious. If I give you an assignment, please give me the answers and read up. Lock yourself in your room, read up. Wake up deep in the night, read with past questions. That is why I'll be giving you past questions. Read with past questions, read with syllabus. If you have not gotten syllabus from me, if you have not gotten past questions, just watch this video to the end and I'll give them to you. Question 28. Mercury is used as a thermometric substance because, mercury is used in a thermometer. That's why it's called thermometric substance. Those substances that are used, that are put inside a thermometer. Have you ever seen a thermometer? What is even a thermometer? What is a thermometer used? What is a thermometer? What do we measure with a thermometer? Tell me in the comment section. Mercury is used as a thermometric substance because A, its specific heat is low. B, does not wet glass. C, it is opaque. The answer is it I alone? Is it I only? Is it I? Is it I and I? The answer is all of them. D, I, and I. Because mercury, its specific heat is low. It does not wet glass and it is opaque. These things I am saying, I need them to stick to your memory, right? I need you to make me, if I promise me that you will make me proud in this exam, promise me you will make me proud. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is dash. So go in the comment section and define solenoid for me. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is dash. A, non-uniform. B, uniform. C, zero. D, weak. The answer is the magnetic field in a solenoid is uniform. Uniform. Okay? Let's look at question 31. If the distance between two... Okay, we are not answering questions that involve calculations for now. In a simple machine, the variation of the efficiency with tool is dash. In a simple machine, the variation of the efficiency with efficiency with load is dash. A parabola. B, a straight line. C, a hyperbola. D, a logarithmic. The answer is a parabola. A parabola. Okay, number 33. Binding energy is dash. Binding energy is dash. A, the amount of energy released when proton charge change energy levels. B, the amount of energy released when electron change energy levels. C, the amount of energy required to break a nucleus apart into protons and neutrons. D, the amount of energy required to break a nucleus apart into protons and electrons. The answer actually is C. Binding energy is the amount of energy required to break a nucleus apart into protons and neutrons. Okay? Wooden ladles are commonly used domestically to scoop hot soup because of dash. Wooden ladles are used to get soup from pots. Ladles is like spoon, wooden spoon or wooden ladles are commonly used domestically to scoop hot soup because of dash. A, good insulation of electricity. B, good insulation of heat and electricity. C, bad conduction of heat and electricity. D, good insulation of heat. The answer is good insulation of heat. It doesn't conduct heat. So if you are using wood, even when you put it in a hot soup, the heat will not reach to you. Are you following? I hope you are learning. If you are learning, let me know. Also, if the videos have been dropping for you are helping you, let me know. Let me know how it's helping. If I know that they are helping you, it will inspire me to create more videos for you, despite my busy schedule. Okay? 36. Which of these thermometers uses the volume of a fixed mass of liquid as its thermometric properties? Which of these thermometers use? I've talked about thermometric liquids. Should I talked about it earlier? Which of these thermometers uses the volume of a fixed mass of liquid as its thermometric properties? A, mercury in glass thermometer. B, thermocouple thermometer. C, constant volume of gas thermometer. D, resistance thermometer. The answer is mercury in glass thermometer, which is often the most popular kind of thermometer we can see in school lab. Okay, 37. As pressure is increased, dash. As pressure is increased, dash, the melting point of the gas decreases. B, the melting point of the gas increases. C, the boiling point of the water increases. D, no change is observed in the melting point of ice or boiling point? The answer is A. The melting point of the gas decreases. The more the pressure, the lesser the melting point of ice. Okay, 38 is a bit complex, but I need you to pay attention. Which of the following statements about the gamma rays is or are true? They will give you 4. Which of the following statements about gamma rays is or are true? A. It carries a negative energy. B. It can be deflected by both magnetic and electric field. C. It can be stopped by a sheet of paper. IV. It has 0 rest mass and a neutral charge. Is it? And let's take it again. Which of the following statements about the gamma rays is or are true? A. I. It carries a negative energy. B. II. It can be deflected by both magnetic and electric fields. III. It can be stored by a sheet of paper. IV. It has 0 rest mass and a neutral charge. The answer is IV alone. The one that is true for gamma rays is IV. It has 0 rest mass and a neutral charge. Others are wrong. You can watch this video more than once. You can watch it over and over again so that any video you watch, you are sure that you understand all the concepts in it. You don't just watch it to rush. You don't say, I was able to watch 10 videos. No. If you watch 2, 3 and you understand it very well, then you can now go to the next one. Are you with me? Okay. The temperature of land rises more quickly than that of the sea because of the specific heat of the soil. Okay, let me take the question again. The temperature of land rises more quickly than that of the sea because the specific heat of the soil is dash. A. More than that of water. B. Less than that of water. C. Equal to that of water. D. Negligible. The answer is B. Less than that of water. The temperature of land rises more quickly than that of the sea because the specific heat of the soil is less than that of water. Okay? Do you understand? So in the next video, we will continue in video 5. What you just watch is video 5. I think this is video 5 or video 4 or so. In the next video, we will continue. Remember to be serious, study harder. Watch the next video we are going to drop, right? Also watch other videos. If you need me to give you the link, free access to all the videos I've done on Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel, use of English, biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, any other video, just tell me to give you the link, mention the subject and tell me to give you the link to that subject. If you want free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, do 4 things which are compulsory. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join, follow it and join. Right? 2, share this video, very important. Then like this video. Join our YouTube channel, then like this video, then share this video. Share it on WhatsApp, share it on Telegram, share it on here on YouTube, share it on X, on Facebook. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send the materials to you. Remember to submit the assignment I gave in this particular video. If there is any assignment I gave in the other videos you watch, you have not submitted, please rush and submit them. I will not take it lying down with you. You will score 300 and above in Jesus' name. Claim it. Okay, there's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.